How to log in to CIBC Mobile Banking App. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have downloaded CIBC app. If not, head over to your Play Store and search for CIBC. Once done, you will see this app. Go ahead and tap on download. Let's open the app. And here, if you are not a client, go ahead and tap on not a client and create yourself an account. If you already have a CIBC account, tap on already a CIBC client. Here, tap on sign on. Enter your access card number. Once done, enter your password at the next box. If you would like to remember your card for this device, then toggle on the button that says remember my card. Likewise show, tap on sign on. Now, in case you have forgotten your CIBC password, go below, reset password and get help resetting your account. That will be the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up and we will see you in our next upload.